Every year, caster breakouts cost the global steel industry hundreds of millions of dollars in lost production, repairs, and downtime. A single major breakout can wipe out 0.5 to 1% of a mill's annual output. Millions gone in a matter of hours. But here's the part no one likes to talk about. Most of that loss doesn't come from the breakout itself. It comes from everything that happens after. Across the steel sector, these incidents are typically handled the same way. The most experienced process engineers and operators are called in. They pause other critical work, gather data based mainly on their past experiences, debate hypotheses, and agree on what to test first. Then comes the wait, the retest, and a new meeting to start again if the theory was wrong. And while that's happening, production keeps running below target, and every hour adds to the hidden cost. It's not that the people involved are inefficient, it's that the process is outdated, built around tools that weren't designed for the complexity of modern casting. So why are we still diagnosing problems one by one? Think about how medicine works today. Your doctor doesn't run one test, wait, then try another. They order a full panel of diagnostics, ruling out what isn't the cause while confirming what is. That's how they move from uncertainty to confidence, faster and more precisely. Steelmaking is now doing the same. Modern AI-powered tools like Fero Labs now analyze every relevant data signal together, instantly determining if the same breakout conditions occurred in the past, eliminating false leads in minutes, and pinpointing the real cause faster than old methods. The result? Engineers can solve in hours, not days, and have the confidence that their fix will hold. Breakouts may be unavoidable for now, but wasting days diagnosing them isn't. To find out more, there's a detailed breakdown how Fero Labs is helping steelmakers resolve breakouts in hours, not days, in the link below.